So hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. As you have already known after looking at the thumbnail, that this video's topic is about Army Welfare Education Society Recruitment 2022. So friends, you must watch the video till the end without skipping so that you won't miss any important lines. So come let us know more about what are the post and eligibility criteria to apply for this recruitment of 8,700 PGT postgraduate teacher, TGT trained graduate teacher and PRT primary teachers. So this is the recruitment for teachers vacancy in various Army public school across India affiliated to CBSE. Number 1, let us know the required qualifications for those particular posts. So first of all, for post of postgraduate teacher, the educational qualification required is post-graduation in the subject concerned with 50% marks and B.Ed with 50% marks. Secondly, for the post of trained graduate teacher, the educational qualification required is graduate in the subject concerned with 50% marks and B.Ed with 50% marks. Thirdly, for the post of primary teacher PRT, the educational qualification required is graduation with 50% marks and 2-year diploma in elementary education or B.Ed with 50% marks. Number 2, let us know the age limitations for this particular post. Friends, here for this recruitment, the age limitations is given based on whether you are fresh candidates having less than 5 years of teaching experience or having teaching experiences more than 5 years. First of all, those who are fresh candidates, those who have teaching experience of less than 5 years, they must be below 40 years as on 1st April 2021. In the case of Delhi schools, the candidates should be in the age bracket as per DSEA-NR. For your knowledge, DSEA-NR consists of various rules of the Delhi School Education Act 1973 and the Delhi School Education Rules 1973. Second, those who are experienced candidates with more than 5 years of teaching experience in the last 10 years, they must be below 57 years in the case of Delhi DSEA-NR. Also friends, you may note that CTET or TET is not mandatory for appearing in the online screening test. However, CTET or TET conducted by center or state government is mandatory for appointment as TGTS or PRTS. Those bound fit in all other respects may be considered for appointment on vacancies which may be ad hoc in nature till attainment of qualification. Friends, the actual vacant is not mentioned in the official notice. However, it is said that vacant will be based while advertising for holding interview or evaluation of teaching skills. For examination fee, you have to pay a non-refundable fees of Rs 385 through options like net banking, debit or credit cards and UPI. The registration process has already begun from 7 January 2022 and will be available till 20 January 2022. Admit cards will be issued from 10 February 2022. Examination will be held on 19 and 28 February 2022. So friends, I have mentioned the basic important details for you. Now you must have known whether you are eligible to apply or not. But it is necessary that you read all the other instructions once before applying for this post. I have given the registration link and the official advertisement in the description below. You can download the PDF file and read it once to be clear. So friends, if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest upcoming updates like this. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care.